The Bihar Public Service Commission controversy has taken the most dramatic twist with the news of the founding member of Jan Swaraj Party, Prashant Kishore's arrest. Arrested on the 6th of January in the year 2025 when Kishore was on a hunger strike on the issue of having the exam, preliminary one due to a paper leak issue cancelled. Here's a detailed report on that. Prashant Kishore was arrested with the hundreds of his supporters in Patna at Gandhi Maidan. He had staged a hunger strike there. Bihar police said that this protest violated all the regulations and it dismantled it. Kishore was produced before the court and bail was granted to him. He did not accept bail though. He referred to a clause according to which he was to give an undertaking not to commit any other wrong act. I refused the bail order because I have not indulged in any criminal activity, Kishore told ANI. I agreed to go to jail instead. Kishore also accused the police of mistreating him during his arrest. He said he was made to sit in a police vehicle from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m., taken to several undisclosed locations and denied information about his destination despite repeated requests. Allegations of police brutality. The arrest of Kishore and his followers has raised doubts about the manner in which police handled the incident. Y.V. Giri, Kishore's advocate, alleged that the police resorted to physical violence, including lifting, pushing, punching and slapping protesters. The Jan Swaraj Party accused the police of trying to break Kishore's hunger strike by taking him to AIIMS for a medical test, which he refused to consent to, stating he had no committed any crime. The police administration brutally lathi charged and crowd that had gathered to support Kishore outside AIIMS, the party claimed in a post on X. Why is Kishore protesting? Kishore's agitation is based on the irregularities during the BPSC 17th Combined Competitive Examination, which was conducted on 13th December 2024. BPSC denied the allegations of paper leak, but still it ordered a re-examination for 12,000 candidates. According to Kishore, this actually proves flaws in the system and raises questions on the credibility of the examination. Key demands of Kishore and the protesting students include cancellation of the preliminary exam to ensure transparency and fairness, accountability from the state government and BPSC for alleged lapses in the examination process, immediate engagement of the Chief Minister and other leaders with student representatives to resolve the issue, legal and political implications. Kishore announced that his party would file a petition in the High Court on January 7th seeking justice for the affected candidates. He also called on leaders like Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav to join the protest, emphasizing the need for collective action to safeguard the future of Bihar's youth. This is the time for leaders to gather 5 lakh people at Gandhi Maidan, Kishore said, urging unity against what he termed a brutal regime. Key questions raised. Was the police response justified? Allegations of mistreatment during Anna Kishore's arrest have sparked a debate about the government's handling of peaceful protest. Is the BPSC exam system credible? The re-examination order has fueled concerns about the transparency and reliability of the recruitment process. What's next for protesters? With Kishore rejecting bail and announcing legal action, how will the state government address growing dissent? The bigger picture. The BPSC controversy highlights the systemic issues within public recruitment processes and raises broader questions about governance in Bihar. The treatment of peaceful protesters and the handling of exam irregularities will likely shape public opinion and political narratives in the state. As situations unfold, the focus remains on whether justice will be delivered to the affected students and whether leaders will rise to the occasion to address the grievances of Bihar's youth.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.